There is a persistent myth about long-term food storage that needs to die right now. The myth says that shelf-stable food tastes terrible. That powdered food is a last resort, something you choke down in a genuine crisis because there is nothing better available, but that you would never choose to eat willingly under normal circumstances. That the entire category of dehydrated and freeze-dried food exists in a culinary category somewhere below gas station food and above cardboard, and that anyone who claims otherwise is either lying or has lost their sense of taste entirely. That myth exists because most people have never encountered genuinely good powdered food. They tried institutional powdered milk in a school cafeteria 30 years ago, or they opened a can of something from a discount preparedness retailer, and they made a sweeping judgment about an entire category of food based on the worst examples of it. That is like deciding all coffee is terrible based on a cup from a vending machine. Modern dehydration and freeze-drying technology, applied by serious manufacturers with quality standards, produces shelf-stable food that is genuinely good. Not acceptable. Not tolerable. Actually good food that you might choose to eat today, not just food you are resigned to eating in a crisis. Today, I am giving you 9 powdered or granulated foods that last up to 27 years in proper storage conditions, and that you might genuinely enjoy. Number 9. Powdered whole eggs. This is one of the most underrated products in the entire emergency preparedness category, and the gap between its reputation and its actual quality is significant. High-quality powdered whole eggs, not the watery, sulfurous scrambled egg powder that gave the category a bad name decades ago, reconstitute into eggs that are genuinely functional and genuinely palatable in a wide range of cooking and baking applications. The better brands use spray drying technology that preserves fat content, protein profile, and enough of the original flavor compounds to produce something that behaves like a real egg in your recipes. In a sealed can with oxygen absorbers, quality powdered eggs last 5 to 10 years. In optimal sealed Mylar storage, closer to 10 to 15 years. Use them in pancakes, baked goods, egg-based sauces, frittatas, and scrambles. Augasun Farms and Ova Easy both produce versions that receive consistently strong reviews for taste and performance from people who use them regularly, not just in emergencies. Number 8. Powdered butter. The problem with real butter in emergency food storage is obvious. It requires continuous refrigeration and goes rancid within weeks at room temperature, making it completely impractical for any storage scenario involving power loss or displacement. Powdered butter solves this problem completely and does it better than most people expect. When produced through a low-heat spray drying process that preserves the fat content and the flavor compounds responsible for butter's richness, powdered butter reconstitutes with water into a spread and a cooking fat that performs genuinely well across a range of applications. It will transform stored rice, pasta, oats, and flatbreads from flat, monotonous survival food into something you might actually look forward to eating. Sealed in cans, quality powdered butter lasts 5 to 7 years. For a long-term pantry focused on both nutrition and morale, this belongs on the shelf without question. Number 7. Powdered coconut milk. This one surprises people consistently, and the surprise is always a pleasant one. Coconut milk powder reconstitutes rapidly in warm water into a creamy, full-fat coconut milk that is virtually indistinguishable from the canned version in any cooked application. Curries, soups, rice dishes, oatmeal, smoothies, and baked goods all benefit from it in exactly the ways they would benefit from canned coconut milk. But the powdered version takes up a fraction of the space, weighs far less, and carries a longer shelf life. In sealed packaging under standard conditions, shelf life runs 2 to 4 years. In sealed Mylar bags with oxygen absorbers, significantly longer. The fat content makes it genuinely calorie-dense, which in a survival nutrition context is a feature rather than a concern. This is one of the most underutilized tools in long-term pantry building. Number 6. Freeze-dried cheese. Freeze-dried cheese is one of those products that immediately and decisively disproves the shelf-stable food stereotype for anyone who tries it with an open mind. When produced using true freeze-drying, not simple dehydration, which produces an inferior product with compromised texture and flavor, cheese retains its fat content, its protein profile, and a remarkable degree of its original flavor character. Cheddar, mozzarella, and Parmesan are the most commonly available freeze-dried varieties, and all three rehydrate into something genuinely cheese-like that adds real flavor complexity to rice dishes, pasta, soups, flatbreads, and scrambled eggs. Shelf life in properly sealed cans runs 10 to 25 years depending on the producer, the specific cheese variety, and the sealing process used. The existence of shelf-stable cheese that actually tastes like cheese changes the long-term storage conversation entirely. Number 5. Powdered peanut butter. Products like PB2 and similar powdered peanut butter options have gone mainstream in recent years for a straightforward reason. They work, and they work well. Reconstituted with water to the appropriate consistency, powdered peanut butter produces a product that functions in sauces, spreads, baked goods, oatmeal toppings, and smoothies. It also holds up surprisingly well eaten straight as a spread on crackers or flatbread. The production process removes most of the oil from the peanuts, which paradoxically extends shelf life significantly by eliminating the primary rancidity risk associated with regular peanut butter. Sealed in oxygen-free conditions in proper containers, quality powdered peanut butter lasts 4 to 5 years easily. Sealed in Mylar with oxygen absorbers, the shelf life extends further. This is an affordable, high-protein, calorie-dense product that earns its place in any serious pantry. Number 4. Freeze-dried fruits. Freeze-dried strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, mangoes, and peaches taste extraordinary. That is not promotional language or exaggeration. It is an accurate description of what happens when the freeze-drying process removes water from fruit while leaving the cellular structure, flavor compounds, color, and nutritional content nearly completely intact. Place a freeze-dried strawberry on your tongue and it dissolves into an intensely concentrated burst of real strawberry flavor that is often more vivid than the fresh fruit itself, because the water that dilutes flavor in fresh fruit has been removed. Vitamin C content is largely preserved through the process. Shelf life in sealed commercial cans runs 25 years from production date. This is the product that converts skeptics into believers about shelf-stable food consistently and reliably, because no amount of explaining prepares someone for how good it actually tastes. Number 3. Powdered whole milk. Full-fat powdered whole milk is a genuine nutritional workhorse and one of the most important items in any long-term food supply built around shelf-stable products. Per serving, it delivers calcium, complete protein, fat, vitamin D, and B vitamins in a form that reconstitutes easily into drinkable milk or a direct cooking ingredient. The key word here is whole. Powdered skim milk lacks the fat that supports vitamin absorption, contributes to satiety, and makes the product genuinely palatable as a beverage. Quality whole powdered milk from producers like Augason Farms or Hoosier Hill Farm reconstitutes into a product that tastes significantly better than the institutional powdered milk most people have encountered, and that performs excellently in baking, oatmeal, sauces, and hot beverages. Sealed in Mylar with oxygen absorbers, it lasts 20 to 25 years. For families with young children, this item is non-negotiable. For everyone else, it fills nutritional gaps that no grain or legume can address. Number 2. Freeze-dried meat, chicken, and beef. The single most common objection to long-term food storage as a genuine nutritional strategy is the absence of real protein from real animal meat. Freeze-dried meat answers that objection directly and convincingly. Quality freeze-dried chicken, ground beef, and even diced steak, produced by companies like Mountain House, Thrive Life, and ReadyWise, reconstitutes into cooked meat that holds its texture, its flavor, and its protein content remarkably well across a range of applications. Add it to soups, rice dishes, pasta sauces, and stews, and it functions like fresh cooked meat in ways that meat simply cannot match. Shelf life in properly sealed cans runs 25 to 30 years. The cost is significant relative to other items on this list. Freeze-dried meat is a premium product and is priced accordingly. But so is the difference it makes to long-term food quality, to nutritional completeness, and to the psychological experience of eating real meals rather than grain-based survival rations for weeks on end. Number 1. Freeze-dried ice cream. I am ending this list here deliberately, Because the existence of freeze-dried ice cream that actually tastes like ice cream is the single most compelling argument against the idea that long-term food storage is an exercise in deprivation and suffering. Yes, freeze-dried ice cream is a real product. It has been used by NASA. It requires no reconstitution. It dissolves directly on the tongue into an intensely sweet, creamy ice cream flavor that is immediately recognizable and immediately satisfying. It lasts 5 to 7 years sealed. It weighs almost nothing. It takes up almost no space. In a crisis scenario stretched across days or weeks, a bar of freeze-dried ice cream is more than a dessert. It is morale. It is normalcy. It is the thing that reminds a child or an adult who has been carrying an enormous amount of weight that not everything has broken down, that small pleasures still exist, and that the people responsible for this pantry thought about more than just calories and macronutrients. They thought about joy. Stock the serious items first. Build the foundation with rice, beans, oats, and freeze-dried protein. Fill the nutritional gaps with powdered milk and freeze-dried vegetables. But when the foundation is solid, stock the joyful ones too. Because surviving is the floor, not the ceiling. And a pantry that understands that will serve your family better than one that doesn't.